A school is a collective of experiences. Some good, some that could be better, some inspiring, and a few that we never talk about, ever. At Museus, we don't look at numbers. Heck, we've been in existence too long to worry about quantities and aggregates.
We focus on our girls, our women, our legacy makers. We wake up with the dreamers and depend on the doers. We march with those who are true to our convictions, but we allow our convictions to change over time with experience. We learn, we share, we become better. We are here because of the game changers, those who saw no boundaries, who took a chance and at times risked it all.
We are here because of that fighting spirit, that loving heart, and that forgiving kindness. We are here because of people like Mari Museus Higgins. And we will be here for centuries more because of ladies like those you will hear from now.
My kundika pani akkai dawasala. Ari bus driver katteka wage ikana අපි කියන්නේ bus driver katteka කියලා. හවස සෙල්ලම් කළා දාඩිය පෙරාගෙන අපි ආව dining room එකට. Dining room එක ගිහිල්ලා කනකොට මිසිස් සිල්වා එනවා board meetings වල කරනවා. Santandala yage handbag එකයි high heels matching jewelry and the ලස්සනයි. ගිහිල්ලා යා මේසට යනවා බල. ඊපස්සේ යා මාව දැක්කා. ඊපස්සේ මම දැක්කා මේට්‍ර ළඟට ගිහලා මට ඇඟිල්ල දික් කර මොනවද කියනවා. දැන් මම බය වුණා මොකද්ද මේ වෙන්නේ කියලා. මෙතන මේ කින්සි රෝඩ් එකේ මිනිස්සුගේ චුට්ටක් දුර හැලේ මාව එක්කනවා කින්සි රෝඩ් එකේ Mrs. Silva konde kapana tana. So she gave me the same cut that she gave Mrs. Silva. And from that day I've been wearing that haircut.
Museus was my second home and a place of such sweet memories that I often return to with a lot of respect and fondness.
If one were to ask me as to the greatest compliment or the achievement that I have had in my life, I would say that is when people call me that I'm a good person or a good citizen.
වර්තමානයේ මා යෙදී සිටින සියලුම ස්වේච්ඡා සේවාවන්ට අවශ්‍ය පන්නරේ මා ලැබුවේ මියුසියස් විදුහලෙන් බව කෘතඥතාපූර්වකව සඳහන් කරමි.
Ever since I was a kid, my dream was to become a pilot. And after leaving school in 2001, after completing the piloting course in the USA, I'm currently working for the national carrier Sri Lankan Airlines as a pilot in the capacity of senior first officer.
And I was quite an incorrigible girl in school and was quite pleasantly surprised when I was made a prefect in school. But the nice thing was that Mrs. Rajapaksa, who was the then principal, called me to her room and said that they really were happy to make me a prefect. However, they also said that I had to curtail my free-spiritedness a little bit in keeping with the responsibilities that came with the prefectship.
I recall in the early 80s, we were in grade 9, and on one rebellious day, some of us decided to vandalize the classroom walls with the lyrics of A Brick in the Wall by Pink Floyd, boldly writing phrases such as we don't need no education, we don't need no education, and hey teachers, leave us kids alone, etc. throughout 9A walls. And the punishment that was meted to us for that little coup d'etat by none other than Mrs. Nelun Sena, the then class teacher, was accepted by the entire class very happily, without complaint, including those innocents who had nothing whatsoever to do with that little mutiny. There were no finger pointing. And that, I say, is the very essence of Museusness.
Museus College in the 1970s, shrouded and static in time, when my mind voyages among the gossamer memories of girlhood, to scale those high and hefty walls of that stronghold of discipline that kept the girls locked in and perhaps any romantic notions blocked out. Beyond the white dome of the shrine room with its single Vatasuddha plant, through the emerald green tunnel The reception counter with its dial-up telephone to the right, always alert to the parlour and the principal's office beyond, opposite the cream-tiled dining hall.
අපේ පාසලේ ආදර්ශ පාඨය ප්‍රදීපං ගවේසත. ඒ ආදර්ශ පාඨයේ ඉදිරිපත් කරන පරිදි මම බුදුදහමේ හරය කුමක්ද කියා ගවේෂණය කළා.
So thank you, Mother Musaeus, for being a guiding light to myself and countless other grateful Museites.
I believe one of my greatest achievements to date is being the first female to be appointed as the captain of boats at the Colombo Rowing Club.
Great friends, a few great teachers who really understood us for who we really were, and of course great times. We had a superb time in school and really superb time. How much of it was to do with studies or obeying orders, I'm not too sure. But one thing I'm sure of is we must be one of the few cliques that were most punished in its 130-year history.
And I'm really surprised that I was asked to do this video for the 130th anniversary, because I was frankly one of the worst girls in school. So much so that my mother refused to come for Parents' Day. She came only once, and from the gate they said, you know, this child, she doesn't do her homework, she's too loud, she's upsetting the whole class, her handwriting is ugly, and so on. So my mother got fed up. But I just recall that Musaeus knew how to deal with different girls of different hues.
I have many memories of school, too many to go into detail right now. Definitely, one of the most prominent is joining the 23rd Colombo Guide Company as a senior guide.
To always look at the bigger picture, to serve your community, serve your country, to propel them forward. And this has helped me, set up foundations that are driving diversity and inclusion and really serving the greater good of what our country needs.
And my proudest moments are when my students come back and tell me that they were inspired by being in my classes. I think that is the greatest achievement.
Being an officer was very challenging. You are a leader, a role model, you are responsible for your troops and their well-being, fair decisions, etc.
I will always remember the beginnings of my career in Sri Lanka and at Musaeus.
ඔබට මේ හොඳට කන්සන්ට්‍රේට් කරලා වැඩ කරනකොට මට මතක නැද්ද කියලා. ඇයි රෑ අඳින්නේ කියලා. මම මේක දවල් මේක රෑ දැන් එන්නේ නැත්තම් මට මේක ට්‍රෙන්ඩ් එක යනවා. ඒක දැන් ඉවර කරන්න ඕන කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ මෙයා බලනකොට මේට්‍රන් මේ රිපෝට් කළා මාව මම බල්කනි එකටලා රෑ පින්තූර අඳිනවා. එහා පැත්තේ කොල්ලෝ ඉන්නවා කියලා. ප්‍රින්සිපල් බලනකොට කොල්ලෙක් දිහා බලන්නේ මම මේක දිහා බලාගෙන ඉඳලා. The principal කියලා මේට්‍රන්ට යා එහෙම එකක් නෑ ඊට නෑ පින්තූර අදිනවා කියලා කොයි වෙලේ මොනවා කරත් කරදර කරන්න එපා කියලා. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ නිදහසක් මට ලැබුණ නිසා මම ඉස්කෝලේ ලොකු මේ කන්නරයක් ලැබුණ මට.
මම දෙමළ කතෝලිකයෙක් චම්පා සිංහල බෞද්ධ මම නම් හිතන්නේ චම්පා මියුසියස් කොලෙජ් එකෙන් මට දීපු ලොකු තෑග්ගක් කියලා. ලොකු වස්තුවක්.
Nipuni Karunaratne is an aerospace engineer, working for Rolls-Royce as the digital technology model factory manager. Breaking all glass ceilings as an Asian woman, she became the 2021 Rising Star Award winner in science and technology.
I was there from grade 1 till the end where I left for A-levels. I've learned to respect all religions, and I've learned to respect my religion as well.
මම අද යම් තැනක සිටිනවා නම් මගේ මුල් පාසල කවදාකවත් මට අමතක කරන්න බෑ. ඒකේ ගෞරවය අපේ මියුසියස් විද්‍යාලයට හිමි විය යුතුයි.
Hey Museites, we are the Singing Potatoes.
We are three batchmates who saw each other's mutual passion for music back when we were in school, and grade 9 to be exact, and that is how Singing Potatoes happened.
Vivian Gunawardena, anti-colonial activist and Member of Parliament. While head girl, Vivian became involved in the Suryamal movement, protesting against the proceeds of poppy sales on Remembrance Day being used to benefit British servicemen to the detriment of their Sri Lankan counterparts. On Remembrance Day 1934, Vivian sold sunflowers to students and teachers, and in an act of civil disobedience, led students to place their boxes of instruments atop the blackboards and at 11 a.m. to topple these, with the subsequent noise masking that of the ceremonial gun salute.
I'm Sri Nadira. I was a student, then a teacher, a parent, and now the principal of this renowned school. Museus thrives on innovation. As teachers and students, we all aim for new knowledge, skills, and experiences. Our students are expected to meet and exceed the requirements of the time. And I strongly believe that's why many of them are so versatile and adventurous.
Museus is us, our stories, and the shared feelings we hold as Museites. Museus is being a collective of individuals, destined to change society, relentless in our pursuit of a better tomorrow.
Museus College. Same name, new growth game.